Most people think their CV is weak because they lack skills or experience. That is not true. In reality, most CVs get rejected because of small but serious mistakes. If you are applying for jobs and not getting interview calls, if your CV is getting ignored again and again, then this video will help you understand exactly why. Because 99% of people make these CV mistakes. The first and biggest mistake is using the wrong CV format. Many people still use outdated or overly designed CV templates. Too many colors, too many fonts, and too much unnecessary information. Recruiters do not want decoration. They want clarity. A recruiter usually spends only a few seconds on one CV. If your CV is not clean, simple, and easy to read, it will be rejected without a second thought. The second mistake is not having a clear job title or professional summary. When a recruiter opens your CV, the first question they ask is simple. Who is this person and what can they do? If your CV does not answer that question immediately, you are already losing the opportunity. Your CV should clearly mention your job role, your experience level, and your key skills right at the top. The third mistake is writing job duties instead of results. Most people write their CV like a job description. They say what they were responsible for, but they never explain what they achieved. Recruiters are not impressed by responsibilities. They are impressed by results. Numbers, impact, and outcomes make your CV stronger and more believable. The fourth mistake is spelling and grammar errors. This may sound small, but it creates a very big negative impression. One spelling mistake can make a recruiter think that you are careless or unprofessional. A company trusts you with responsibility. If your CV has errors, that trust is already broken. The fifth mistake is having a CV that is too long or too short. A very long CV feels boring and unfocused. A very short CV feels empty and weak. Your CV should be clear, balanced, and straight to the point. For freshers, 1 page is enough. For experienced professionals, 2 pages are ideal. The sixth mistake is ignoring ATS keywords. Many companies use software called applicant tracking systems. If your CV does not contain the right keywords, it may never be seen by a human recruiter. Your CV should always match the job description. Use similar job titles, skills, and professional language. Your CV is not just a document. It is your first impression. It is your first interview. Fix these mistakes, and your chances of getting shortlisted will increase. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is struggling to find a job, because the right CV can truly change your life.